How to structure a university assignment in Germany. Studying in Germany and struggling with university assignments? Here's how to structure them correctly. German universities expect clear academic writing with proper structure and credible sources. The basic structure includes 1. Title page, student info plus course plus date. 2. Table of contents, page numbers for sections. 3. Introduction, topic, background, and purpose. 4. Main body, arguments, analysis, research evidence. 5. Conclusion, summary plus final thoughts. 6. References, AP, M, LA, or Chicago, depending on faculty. Tips. Always reference sources, avoid plagiarism, and proofread before submission. With the right structure, scoring in German assignments becomes much easier. Subscribe for more academic tips.